war was started, so Russian soldiers are spent in the World War I. But that was not liked by the common people. See here, so the common people does not like the supporting in the war because of course Russia is having the largest army. In those days only Russia is having the largest army. Okay, so with this largest army they are fighting, but the people of this Russia, they are not satisfied with the Caesar rulers, because Caesar rulers in spite of Russia, so they declared the support for England. So this was disliked by the people. So they don't want to give support for the England. Okay, because here the Russia was not in the proper manner. So common peoples are struggling hard in the country, that is interior country. So this was one of the drawback. Next, the other one is, so here in the Russia, Duma was there. Duma is nothing but, in our country we are calling this as parliament. Parliament building or parliament. Suppose in the states we are calling this as assemblies. Same like that, in the Russia they are calling as Duma. Duma is nothing but just like parliament in our country. So in the Duma only, all the representatives and also the peoples are discussing about the problems. Okay, so Duma. Here in the Duma, so a new bill was passed. What is the bill means? Saint Petersburg was there. So his name is just Saint Petersburg. In the olden days, it is the capital. Okay, capital for this Russia. It is acting like important city after. Of course, it is the capital for Russia. Before that, so in the World War I, so Saint Petersburg is the capital city. But the next counterly, the Moscow was developing. Okay, so that means in the development was increased when compared to the Saint Petersburg later. It means in the latter days. But here Saint Petersburg was there. So Saint Petersburg is the name of the place. Now the Caesars, that is Caesar Nicholas II. So he has changed the name of Saint Petersburg into Petrograd. Okay, Petrograd. So its name is just Petrograd. So see here, Saint Petersburg. So it was changed into Petrograd. Petrograd is the name which belongs to, which is a German name. So it's called as a German name. So this naming was not liked by the people. So this is disliked by the people. So this is also one of the reason for Russian Revolution. Okay, one is the participating in the war. Second one is the changing of the name. Okay, next. So these are the things happened. Next, that one is the other reason is the third one is the 1905 revolution, small revolution, which is taken by Father Gapan. So many number of people were died. Nearly 100 people are killed, and okay, and 300 people are injured. So these are the incident happened. So this also made angry by the people to revolt against the rulers. Next, see here, the other things that happened is, so yes, so we can see here the Russian army. So the workers commonly they started the revolt against the people, against the workers, against these rulers. Okay, against these rulers, the workers has started first revolt, and then this was supported by the army. So slowly the army also giving support for common people. That is, of course, common people also joined hands with workers, and both are united, and combinedly they are going for strikes. Okay, to refuse the rule of these Caesars. Why? Because of these all problems. Next year, so Russian soldiers during the First World War. So the Imperial Army. So Russian army in those days it is called the biggest army, and it is also called as Russian Steamroller. This is the name of the army. of Russia in those days. That is in the time of the First World War. Russian steamroller. Now here in the present day we can call this as PLA. PLA belongs to which country? China. So Chinese army is called as PLA. So People's Liberation Army. Okay, this was formed by this People's Liberation of China. So like that here they are calling this as Russian army called as Russian steamroller. Okay, so these peoples first in the beginning they are giving support for the rulers, but later slowly their idea was turned towards the common people and workers. So workers and common people are fighting for this independence. Indirectly we can call this as independence from the Caesars. They want to form the independent government. Okay, so these are the things that happened, and even the Russia finally has given hand for the rulers. They are not supporting for kings. Okay, the army, because why the army was angry on the rulers means because they have given support in the World War One. So number of people were died. Okay, number of army soldiers were died in the war. So here we can see this Russian armies lost badly in the Germany and Austria between 1914 and 16. So nearly 7 million casualties. So 7 million Russian soldiers have died in the army in the time of World War One. That is while fighting in the Germany and Russia, Germany and Austria. So Russian soldiers are nearly 7 million casualties. That means the 7 million soldiers are died. So this also does not liked by the army soldiers, and they are also angry on the rulers. Okay, so all these made to the Russian Revolution, and the other reasons are here. Just we move forward. So yes, the February Revolution in the Petrograd. See here, this is also one of the cause of this Russian Revolution. In the winter of 1917, so conditions in the capital Petrograd were grim. So see here, the shortage of food. So in the February 1917, so food storage were deeply felt in the workers' quarters. So even in the workers' quarters also, they are suffering with lack of food. Okay, deep crisis came in the year 1917. So all these peoples also led to the going for the strike and revolt against the Caesar rulers. Next, teasers to dissolve the Duma. So one more reason is in the year February 1917, when the people are not, when the rulers, so here think that here Nicholas II was there as a monarch or a king. Under him there will be some ministers. They are called as Duma MPs, or just Duma people, Duma representatives. In our country, we are calling as MPs. So like that, so Duma members will be there. Okay, DMs. All these peoples are dissolved by these Nicholas II. Okay, that is king, monarchy. So all the peoples are, all these representatives who are there, so they are finally dissolved. Dissolved means what? Their post all are dissolved. Example, in our country, elections are coming. So whenever elections are coming, so president is going to dissolve the assembly or parliament. That means what? So all the MPs and MLAs, so whatever there, suppose example, assembly dissolving is there. So assembly was dissolved by governor. Means what? So once again, the assembly members must go for elections because their post was dissolved. So like that here, the Duma was completely dissolved by the Nicholas II. Okay. So in this way, even these Duma members also, they are also angry on the rulers. They are not satisfied with the rulers. Okay. So why they are doing these all these things by these rulers means they want to control this revolution. That is revolt by all people. Okay, next on 22 February, a locust took place at the factory right bank. So workers 50 factory called a strike sympathy. So here, mainly the Russia is called as the biggest country in the world. Of course, they are having number of factories around this Russia. Throughout the Russia, we can see number of great factories. So number of some millions of people are working in many factories. So that's why they are all formed into the workers union and workers party. Okay, so that's why they are asking for the wages. So finally, this was led to the Russian Revolution, and also so in this February Revolution. So it is called as the February Revolution. So see here in the year 1917, again in the February 1922. So here we can see these demonstrations. So demonstrating workers crossed from the factory quarters to center of the capital. So here almost all the workers they have started revolting against these Caesar rulers. Why the Caesar rulers are revolting? Because all the factories are owned by Caesar rulers only. Example, his families will be their great tribute. So